So if you're anything like me, trying to optimize and manage expectations right now with AI optimization is impossible. It feels like there's like 1,000 different tactics you could deploy. And the value of those tactics and the risk around those tactics is changing on what feels like a daily or weekly basis. A while back, I recorded this video kind of saying, like, hey guys, we got to start to offset our visibility scores against other metrics that matter in the business. And today I want to level that up a good bit. I basically feel like there's a ton of tactics that we can deploy, and each one comes with its own speed of implementation, risk, and impact. So, what I wanted to do was just start off creating a series of tactics that could be deployed right here. So, you can click on them. I've kind of defaulted them to showing up in different places in your four box. And once you click on them all, you now can see that you've got different levels of risk, time to pay off, and impact. I will admit, those three numbers need a lot of work. So now let's just say you think Reddit engagement, because your client might be kind of spammy and a little bit aggressive, is a really risky tactic. You can drag it here and it will change, over time, your numbers and your scores up there, which again, I know I've got more work to do. So therefore, my opinions about these are just a starting place. You can drag and drop them around however you wish. The other thing that I wanted to build into this was something that could help my clients understand that if I don't have a connection with your PR firm, certain tactics go away. If you say, hey, I'm in a code freeze and I can't do a lot of certain technical things, some of these things might go away. You may agree or disagree. It doesn't matter because it's all open source and you can go to Git, pull it down, and make it your own. You want to do those self-published listicles? Click. It's going to be like this. You want to work on video transcripts and getting them in? Here's what I believe about those. And then the beauty is as you add all these in, you can then click on risk versus impact and you get those on that axis as well, just to have a broader conversation with your client around, are you giving me everything that's super high risk and slow? This is going to take me some time to get these answers that you want, to get the impact that you want. And then the last thing I'm so adamant about is to give you all some KPIs. So this is also an area where I'm going to have a little bit more work to do. But ultimately, what we're trying to do is say, look, some things are easier to track than others. So you need to have that conversation with your client. Hey, the client, the things that you picked, most of them are super hard for us to measure. So let's have a conversation around the tactics that you're getting me to deploy against my ability to track impact. And that's what we put together. I hope you guys give a bunch of feedback on it. I hope you fork it, make it your own. I think they're called pull requests that I can pull your updates to and make this better for our entire community. I think we need something to drive strategy right now and not, hey, my CEO just read an article somewhere. Why aren't you doing this? I don't think that that's going to work.